Join me on a quiet walk through the botanical gardens as summer gives way to spring. Colors still linger in the flowers, lanterns rise in preparation for the light garden, and even without much wildlife, there's a peaceful beauty in every step.
So today I'm using the OM1 combined with the Olympus 100 to 400 millimeter. This is the first version. And then for closer shots, I'm using the GH5 with the 42.5 millimeter f1.2, the DG Nocticron from Lumix Leica. Now fall migration has started, so there's not a whole ton of birds at this time. Oh, there's a squirrel right there. Let's see if I can get him. It's quite dark right now, especially under here. So it's not easy. Not sure why the autofocus is not getting on him. There we go. It's because it was too far and I had the autofocus location for a closer distance. So of course, as soon as I walk into the park, the sun goes away, but it's all good. Not sure what this is, but it's beautiful. Look at this.
Tipsizleri şu an gerçekten. Ne demek hayat var ya?
So as I suspected, there's not a lot of birds right now. I have to say, these lily flowers are some of the most interesting when they're blooming. Well, there's not a lot of light, so it's a bit hard to take photos. It's balancing. I'm doing everything handheld right now. My f-stop doesn't go too low, so it's balancing my camera, trying not to move too much. This is clearly where the light show is going to be. Oh, this is so beautiful. So according to a sign here, it says that it's a fragrant plantain lily. And I can confirm it smells so good. That's so cool. These bumblebees go like all the way inside the flower to go get the pollen. I'm gonna boost my ISO a bit. Just gonna use some denoising software. I'm gonna try that again. Thing is, my shutter speed was too low. Okay, I think I got a shot. I must have. At least one, please. Well, this is turning into less of wildlife and more of flowers, but it's still so beautiful.